This is how to play my iyenzeke ntando yakho. I'll be showing you guys how to play this song using the key of C sharp. Okay, so without any of time, let's jump straight to it. I'm gonna start first by playing this song to you guys, and then I'll break it down after. So our song says, Bauka dilasekayo ngoluha right? So it's quite easy. It starts right here on C sharp major second inversion, which is also known as our number 1, but it's a second inversion. Okay, it starts here. Right from here, please pause the video and watch the chords closely. From here it goes to our number 2, which is also known as D sharp minor second inversion. D sharp minor second inversion is our number 2, okay, but it's a second inversion as well. So it's gonna say Bawoka. It's gonna say 1 2 1 1 1 2 1 5. I hope you understand. For the last time, Bawoka dilasekayo. Then from here, you wanna play number 5 second inversion. Sorry, 5 second inversion, 6 second inversion, right? And then you go to 5, right? G sharp major. Let me play it. Right? It's 1 2 1, right? 1 1 2 1 5, right? From our number 5, we go to number 5 but a second inversion, and then number 6 also a second inversion, 5 second inversion, 6 second inversion, and then goes back to 5. Right? For the last time, Bawoka dilasekayo, and then from here, ngoluha. Right? And then from here you go to 2 2 1, and then you come to this chord, E flat minor, and then you come to our number 1. I won't be explaining all the chords to you guys. Just pause the video and watch the chords closely. I'm gonna play that part for the last time. Please watch closely. Right? And then from here, it goes to a part that says, right? You're gonna play 1 2 1. This one is also our number 1. It's C sharp major, and it's a root chord, okay? It's C sharp major chord. Shalundi 1 2 1 1 2 1 4 1 2. Again, 1 2 1 1 2 1 4 1 2. Right? Let me sing it. Shalundi fundi suguti. From here you're gonna say mayenze. You're gonna play C sharp major second inversion, our number 1. From here you're gonna play E flat minor, and And then from here, you're gonna play F sharp major chord. From here, you go to number 5, and then E flat minor again, and then you go to 1, C sharp major, first inversion. I don't want it to be confusing. I'm gonna play it again for the last time. Let's start from the beginning. Right? From here, and then from here, from here, ntando yakho. Right? I just played the whole song, so I'm gonna introduce the bass. When you start on the left, you go to number 1 because you are playing your number 1 on the right. Okay, on the left you go to number 1. You can start it like this. You can play 1, 2, and then 1. Right? Let me repeat it again. 1, 2, 1, and then ba, 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 ba. When you go to number 5 on the right, also on the left you go to number 5. Ba, and then 5, 6, 5, 6, 5. You are still on number 5. 2, 1, 1. Again. 1, 2, 1. Ba, 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 1, 5, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Right? That's how we play it. So I'm gonna play it again for the last time. Sorry. I'm gonna play it again for the last time. Okay?